Hey, Bonnie. What, Freddy? Do you think something bad's gonna happen today? No, probably not. Bad things rarely happen. I know. I just kind of got this bad feeling in my stomach that something bad's gonna happen. Like what? Like the place is gonna like explode or something. Okay, this is not Final Destination. That's probably not gonna happen. You're right. I'm gonna go tell the others just so they know. Don't. You're gonna get them overwhelmed. I don't care. I'm telling them. What? You ran into us, you woke us up, and you got us up. What do you want? Gosh, I have a feeling that the place is gonna explode. What? Wait. What? What? The place is gonna explode? No, I just have a feeling it will. Well, yeah, I wouldn't worry too much about it. It's not like it's not confirmed, is it? No. Yeah, then you shouldn't believe it. Yeah, but I had a really bad feeling in my guts that just said the place is gonna explode. It's like I saw it. I saw it in my eye. Okay, Nightmare Bonnie! Did somebody say Monty? Monty, we did not say anything about you. Get this stupid chicken out of here. Ow! Sorry, Bonnie. That was Monty. Yeah. Okay, what's going on here? Why are we all huddled up? Yeah, why were we huddled up? Bonnie, where did you come from? Guys, there's a bomb! Move, everyone move, there's a bomb! I know it! The place is gonna explode! I wouldn't say that. It has not been diagnosed. Why the frick would you get all scared? Yeah, man, you just pushed me out of the way. It's not really good to push her out of Glamrock. Ow! Beep. Guys, something's beeping, guys. I'm really scared. We need Nightmare Bonnie. He would know what to do. He really would. Did somebody say Nightmare Bonnie? What's going on? Why are we all screaming? Heard a bomb's here. We need to diagnose the bomb. Why would we do that? The place could explode. Explode? Did somebody just say? Wait a minute. What's wrong with? Freddy, wake up! You too, Foxy. What happened again? Yeah, man, what's going on? Why are you like throwing me around? Guys, what is that? Oh, beep. Chica diagnosed it. Move! Oh my God, we gotta diagnose it. Or we gotta diagnose it. I don't know what to call it. Get out, Chica. Oh, Chica just fell. Gotta diagnose the freaking bomb. What do we do? You guys just trampled over me. Like, that's really, like, not okay. It kind of hurt. Kinda. So if you say kinda, that means it didn't really hurt that bad. It hurt. Ow! Oh. Move, Bonnie. Okay, what's going on, bro? What's going on? Here's the bomb. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? What do we... Why does Freddy keep fainting? I don't know. Well, I don't know what to do. Everyone's just sleeping right now. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. Okay, Nightmare Bonnie. Who's Nightmare Bonnie? I'm a snake. No! We just lost your only hope. Because he just turned into a snake. Freddy's practically dead. So that means we have no one. I mean, you still have me. Boo. You still have me. Do you want to know why we were trampling you? Why? We thought you were a trampoline. Why would you say that? He actually felt good about himself. No. Hey, you guys want to see something cool? Or, no, I want to. You guys want to see something cool? Look. This is me. It's an action figure. Isn't that cool? Yeah. You're right. We should not be talking about this. Yeah, guys, I keep fainting. Beep, beep. Oh. Beep, 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 beep. Well, that can't be good at all. Everyone huddle up. If we huddle up, maybe the bomb won't go off. You know, Monty, that made no sense. Just do it. Beep, 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 Oh, gosh, is everyone okay? What do you think, Bonnie? We just got blown up. Okay, chill down. Yeah, Bonnie, bozo. We just got blown up. Of course, no one's okay. It's okay, Bonnie. Kitties. Look over there, guys. It's Chica. Should we go trample her? No. We should go, say something. Like what? Guys, I see a shadow. This is not good. Hey guys, wanna have a party? We just got blown up, not right now. Yeah, not right now. Gotta figure out how to get back up there. When we get back up there, maybe we can fix the place and then we'll be all good. At least when we get back up, we'll be all good. You know what? This place is kind of nice. It's kind of big. Yeah, I guess. But we can't really live down here because we still have a whole house up there. I mean, you're right. But who said we couldn't really live down here and bring this stuff? Pigpatch, you're always so stupid. You never think. Now he's crying. I don't know what to do anymore. You know, at least it blew up. We're okay, so that's all good. Yippee!